the subject that is close to your heart is also very, very close to our Honorable Chief Minister's heart. In fact, he is a very, very passionate environmentalist, and he's somebody who really takes a lot of pride in all the causes that you espouse. In fact, how do we leverage the collective mind of farmers to make it a more impactful movement?
After my journey is over, if 25 to 50 farmers from different regions who are doing different types of farming, along with one of your officers who is qualified to handle that kind of situation, comes to us, we will take them to different live farms where incomes have gone up between 300 to 800% in 8 to 9 years' time. After that, if you assemble 500,000 people in your place, our people will come there and tell them how to go about it.
Thank you, sir, and I will welcome you.
We will look forward to working with the Telangana government.
Absolutely.